Winter storm warning remains in effect until noon Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 16 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Rabbit Ears Pass, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks. When? Tuesday morning to noon Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Travel is expected to be difficult due to snow-covered roads. The dangerously cold wind chills as low as 30 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.